You want to know if myEcon is worth the price of the membership. Let's talk about it, right? Let's game it out logically here, okay? So, number one, if you have a job and you're working that job and you're looking at your paycheck wondering why the government is taking so much out in taxes, you definitely need this. It will save you the money with that one product. The income shifting strategy will teach you how to fill out your W-4 at your current job and will actually make it so you stop overpaying in taxes. So they stop taking too much money out of your paycheck in taxes. It's not telling you not to pay taxes. It's showing you, teaching you how to stop overpaying in taxes. So your paycheck should increase. Mine, when I used it, increased about $600 a month, about $150 a week is what I saw extra in my paycheck when I used the income shifting strategy, right? Now, that's the first product. If you've got bad credit, you're probably paying 30% interest on credit cards, which is mind-boggling to me why somebody would do that, but a lot of people do that. And you can lower that interest by increasing your credit score by using the credit repair system that myEcon offers, the My Credit Repair. It's do it yourself, gives you all the stuff that you need, teaches you about credit. One of the worst things that you can do is pay somebody else to fix your credit. Number one, you're not going to learn anything about credit, and you're going to end up right back in that exact same situation not long after that. So you need to go through that system. It'll increase your credit score. It took mine from a 510 to a 780. So that obviously worked. My wife had zero credit. She had no credit, no credit cards, no nothing in her name ever. Using what I learned about credit from this system, I was able to get her score up to a 797 right now. Is it worth it? Yeah, it is. Now, that's the second product. Third product, let's go over the debt elimination tool. If you've got credit cards that you're paying a 30% interest on and you got home loans or personal loans or whatever you got, you put all this into this debt elimination calculator and it's going to show you how to pay it off the fastest, spending the least amount of money on interest. Is it worth it? Absolutely. Yeah. Now, every single one of these products will make you more money than what your membership costs. We're going to go over that at the end, okay? So that's what, the third one? Let's go to the fourth one. Let's go to the travel club membership, okay? We won't go past, I'll just go through these four. The travel club membership saves you up to 70% on hotels, cars, activities, whatever you do on vacation, whenever you go somewhere, whenever you travel. If you book through this travel club membership, that comes along with your myEcon membership, you don't pay extra for it. When you book through that, you're going to save up to 70% more than what you would save at like Priceline or Trulia or hotels.com. I know this for a fact because the first week-long vacation that I took, we take a week-long trip every year, me and my wife and kids, and I saved over $1,600 by booking through that. $1,600 because that was on flight and hotels and cars and everything else. So that was triple the cost of my membership, right? So the fourth product in and by itself, worth the price of the membership. The last one I want to go over is the home business tax credits, okay? This is it. When you have a membership to myEcon, you set up the weekly pay secret account, which comes along with it when you join myEcon through myecondream.com. Set up your weekly pay secret account. That's going to give you 50 free leads every single week, automatically uploaded into your weekly pay secret account and email marketed your affiliate link. You know what they call that? They call that a home business. The IRS classifies that as a home business, which comes along with up to 200 tax credits that you can take. Now, generally, the IRS has even said this. This isn't my opinion. This is actual factual data from the IRS. The average home business gets about $3,000 to $4,000 in tax credits. Last year, mine was a little bit more than that, but I spent some extra money on some stuff. So mine was a little bit more than that. Oh yeah, plus your myEcon membership is also you get a tax write-off. You can write that off. So that's what, five individual products. Each and every single one of them will get you a better financial standing than what you're at right now. Every single one of them will make you more than what your membership costs at myEcon. Sometimes 2 to 3 times at the very least. Is it worth it? You tell me. I mean, that's a matter of opinion. Some people are going to say, no, it's not worth it. I don't want to have extra money. I don't want to better my credit. I don't want to learn about how to stay out of debt. I don't want to learn how to be more financially secure. I just want a get-rich-quick scheme. If that's what you're looking for, then no, myEcon is not worth it. Now, if you go out there and you market your link along with the weekly pay secret system marketing your link, then that's passive income. You set that up just like I've done over the past year. I've set up passive income to where I could stop doing this right now and I'd still be seeing checks for the work that I've done, doing absolutely nothing. So yeah, I mean, it's absolutely worth it. It's obviously worth it. Every single one of the products themselves is worth it. But if you're watching this because you're doing your myEcon business and you want some ideas on what you can do to increase your traffic, instantpayincrease.com. I'll put the link to all this stuff in the description of the video. This is what I use to increase my business. Everything, all of this stuff is how I'm successful. Also, listen to the Digital Web Kings podcast right here on my YouTube channel. I got over 1,000 videos on my YouTube channel that you can use, utilize, and look at if you're a member of my team, whatever you want to do. But definitely reach out if you have any questions. Contact info will be in the description, just like any of the other ones. Thanks for watching.